Cyber traders, happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back. I'm so excited. We're doing pretty good on some of these good swing trades. A lot of action going on this week. Good to see you, Lawrence, Brian, everybody. Good to see you all. All right, good. Just loud and clear. Perfect. All right, good. So let's get started. So we got a lot of stuff going on. Like, God, Carvana, what's going on with this damn stock? I thought, I was talking about this yesterday. I don't know if some of you attended the event I did with DTI. Tom Buzzy was there. I was there last week in Florida, in Jacksonville. We did a big on-site class, and just all these great traders. I was talking about level 4. I was on yesterday with Metastock. I'm going to be on today. We're actually going to have Bookmap on tomorrow here at Cyber Trade University. I'm going to be on their end today. But the reason why I was bringing this up is that we were all talking about like following these orders. And let me tell you something. Yesterday, I want to show you this photograph I took yesterday, which I think all of you would really appreciate. All right. So I took a screenshot yesterday of this. Actually, this one's a little bit better. Hold on. Yeah. All right. So watch this photo right here. So Carvana had, look at this number right here. 300,000 plus another 140,000. Okay. That was a big screenshot from what happened all the way up all day yesterday. And then I took another screenshot. I just deleted it. Hold on. This one right here. This is the one I want to show you. So it's a little bit closer. You can see it. And you can see this is right around 1245. Look at that big fat red line showed up right there. Huge seller right there at 1050. And guess what? The guy got taken out. And now look at what we're having right here. Let me just bring this up here. That was at big resistance levels there from yesterday. And listen, I'm not talking about just other than it's a winner. That's not really what I'm here to brag or talk about. What I'm talking about is why are we here to learn how to trade and protect our losses? And this stock had major resistance levels at that price, and the guy got taken out. And if you heard what I said yesterday, this happens with every stock. When you got these big iceberg orders, they get taken out, boom, the thing goes up. And then we went shot up all the way to this 1130. So listen, I know a lot of you guys have been day trading it. It's been a phenomenal day trade, but it's also been a really good swing trade for a lot of us. If you like, hopefully a lot of you here that traded the stock. Hold on, what I got here. Hopefully a lot of you here got the stock right around the 450 that we own it at. But we're doing good. I own a lot of shares of it, actually, believe it or not. And you know what's so funny? Someone told me, I want to bring up another funny thing that someone also brought up. Somebody also told me, they're like, well, why would you buy a stock that's filed bankruptcy? Well, there's different types of bankruptcies. There's bankruptcy protection. You know, sometimes bankruptcy is actually a really good thing because basically, imagine you had, I don't know, I hate to say this, but like, if anyone here filed bankruptcy, which is the worst thing in the world, basically you ruin your credit for about 7 years. But if you do bankruptcy, sometimes you can't pay the money back. You know, let's say if you're making $100,000 a year and you got, $500,000 in debt, all you're doing is paying interest. So you know what? You file bankruptcy, you wipe out all that $500,000. You're gonna have a tough time getting credit again, but you got zero debt. So you get to start all over again. And you know what a relief that is? Sometimes it helps you better than hurts you. I know we don't like to talk about that, but that's what happens. So don't underestimate. When you learn in trading, you learn a lot, as money management, and that's what helps out a lot. Anyway, we're going to talk about a couple other stocks, but I want to talk about what also we traded yesterday. We have this CNTX that is actually moving right now. That's another big move we're going to talk a little bit about. This one's doing effing believable right now. But let me talk about the stocks we had. So we had Carvana that moved yesterday, which is kicking into today. HSCS was another nice little runner there. You can see that stock was at 80 cents. The thing ran to about 260. It was a great runner yesterday. That one is what we traded. GNS was another nice pop early in the morning. That ran from 5 to 750, and then obviously a dump later. But we had time to kind of like be prepared for that. What else that we had to? Was it PBLA was a nice little mover yesterday, 240 to about 430. And it was nice about this stock. It had a really, really nice run going into the close. You can see from 3 o'clock right here. I'll bring this up right here. You can see it right here. Had a great run from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. What a really nice run. Almost $1. $1 run up. A cheap little stock like that. Who doesn't want to trade that? And then IQ has just been also a very, very nice stock that moved also yesterday too. Very nice, slow and steady. Anyway, that's what happened yesterday. Shockingly for a Monday, we had a couple of big movers. But what's going on? This today? So we got the Fed meeting. Okay, we're going to see what the hell they're talking about. See if they're going to raise rates. There's a lot of people worried about certain things that are going on in the world right now. So we need to be prepared. A lot of earnings are coming out. Oh, shoot. Look at this. 38,000 share buyer just showed up in Carvana at 1080. Holy crap. What the hell's going on there? We'll check it out a little bit later. Anyway, what else is moving this morning? Listen, there was a lot of stocks that were in the big percentage gainers. We're going to start off with the MSGM. A lot of big buyers this stock. At 7 a.m., the stock started around 610. It shot up to about right around 730. It's got a nice little push right here. We're going to put that one on our watch list. HILS. It gapped up pretty big this morning, but it's not really going anywhere. So I'm going to probably put this on the B list. I'm going to put this on the B list. Anyway, that's the second biggest percentage gainer, up about 100% in pre-market. The better one, the couple of better ones I probably like, CNTX. Nice little move. Hold on, I got to bring this back a little bit. Nice little move, but it is coming up to some big resistance levels, about $1.50. It's almost there. And let me go check out level 4. Hold on, I got to X out a couple of things here. I got to upload it. CNTX. I got to check out the orders on this one. Just waiting for the data to come in. Okay, we got data here. All right, so we got a couple of big buyers here, 44,000, right around 90 cents. But we got a couple of resistance, 27,000. Right around we get about $1.40. Kind of makes sense because that looks like the resistance going back. And if you look at the daily chart, another stock that gapped up really big, was unbelievable yesterday in the after hours, was PBLA. And what's funny? I was doing when I was doing the event with DTI yesterday, we were talking about this stock, and this is what really bothers me. Okay, when you show people stocks that go up 30, 40, 50 cents in a short period of time, 1,000 shares, 50 cents, $500, 100,000, and they still are not really interested, like they still can't get it, I just tell you better off just quit trading. You shouldn't even be trading. Okay, you want to go slap on all this crap right here. You want to play around with your stochastics. You want to play around with your RSIs. You want to play with this guy Shankin, or you want to maybe play with a Bollinger Band or a moving average. And if you want to slap all this crap in there and you think you know what you're doing, God bless you. Okay, because that to me is giving me a headache. I don't even know how the hell people read that straight. I mean, it really makes absolutely zero sense. Let me get back to normal. All right. So anyway, going down that list, what else is moving? These all are really not really doing too much. Pretty decent volume on this one. 12%, 4%. No really good trends there. Losers, anything going on in losers? Well, we know why HSCS is going down. Nothing really going on there. New York Stock Exchange. This one's got some pretty good move. FOXO. Not bad. Stock's been on a really nice move, up to 40 cents, up $1.30. It's gapped up a little bit. Let me move this down here. We got Carvana on there. We know about that one already. CVNA. Listen, let me tell you about the problem I have with Carvana. It's moving up too fast. I do not like that. When they move up too fast, they come down very fast. You don't want something. I mean, this stock could be $25 like that, and I'll be happy than dog shit. But I really don't want the stock to go up that fast. If you're a swing trader, only if you're a swing trader. Okay. So what else we got going on? The spot is moving up pretty nicely. SPOT. It's up about 9%, up $9. But what the hell am I doing? It's a $100 stock. AI is just doing great. AI, damn it, what I had a swing trade on that. I sold it. Damn it. I had such a nice position on that stock. It just moved again. I had it like for 2-3 days. Anyway, AI has been moving really, really nice. All right, we'll keep an eye on AI. GNS, nice little push in GNS. Look at that chart right there. We've traded GNS before. It's up about 7%. 2 million shares traded already. GNS. Let me check out to see what's going on with that one. And AI. Check out the iceberg orders. See if you see any big block orders out there. Not really much in GNSI. I see this guy just show up here for about 100,000, kind of pushed it down. AI, oh yeah, look at this. Big iceberg order just got filled right here. Not huge, but big. By the way, the Carvana order I was telling you about, that's that big 200,000 share order out there. You see him right there at 1080? That looks pretty good. Let me zoom out. We see anything else out there? $12, $13, $15. No, not really. Looks like the biggest there. All right, good. All right. Any other questions? Any other things we're missing? By the way, anybody on YouTube, Facebook Live, any other stocks you guys are looking at? Remember, you got to learn before you can earn. A couple of things I just want to announce. Don't forget, today, you got a real busy schedule. You got phase 3 with me for students. You got Traders Talk with Josh at 11 o'clock. You got book map that's coming up too. A lot of education going on today. So remember, you have to learn before you can earn. You know, it's great to see these things and having game plans and understanding, following the money and following these orders, learning how to trade like a market maker. You know, that's what I do, and that's what I teach everyone what to do. But you got to learn before you can earn. Brian on the Cyber Group Room says KOLD has been an incredible swing trade. Yeah, I know. And you know what? Let me bring that up there and show everybody. That has been an actual very good swing trade. This stock was $10. Okay, it's at 56. By the way, I sold my Boyle. I got out of it. I took a little bit of a loss. I told you this, that it started trending down. I got out a lot of it. It's almost the opposite of KOLD. I also sold my Mara. You know what? It was at that big resistance levels right around here on the swing trade. So I got pretty much out of that too. I'm pretty just holding just a couple of stocks. I mean, Merck I sold. I got out of that. That was a nice little run up. I'm really just holding Carvana and Home Depot right now in the swing trades. If Home Depot starts backing off, I'm going to get down. I personally don't like to hold stocks when the Fed rate talks. It's just like, it's not worth it. All right. That's okay. Listen, you know, Brian, it's okay to lose. You know, losing money is not a bad thing. It's a good thing. You know, if you lose and you know why you lost, you don't do that again. Somebody here on YouTube has a question. Newbie here, Fausto. Thank you very much for the quick question. When you trade here, are you using options or stocks? Well, we were using stocks, but I'm glad that you brought that up because I know you're new here. To be a good options trader, you have to learn how to trade stocks first, because the movement of the stock that makes an option move. Okay, I know everybody likes the leverage. I know everybody likes all that, you know, the techniques and strategies. But I always tell everyone this: who's more wealthier, the person that owns a house or the person that rents the house? Okay, so if you go out there and you do that, you're gonna get yourself in trouble. So sometimes it's easier to trade the stock. Listen, I got it get ready for class. It's going to start in about 30 minutes for all my students out there, everybody on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, cyber traders, trial members. Market's opening up in less than 15 minutes. Let's get ready for the market open. If I don't see you in class, I will see you. I'll see you. Like I said, we'll see you back at 2:30 for the afternoon meeting. And for everyone here on YouTube, Facebook Live, just make sure you like us, friend us, check out our archives. And we'll see you every morning here and afternoon. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Be safe. And let's make some money.